Hello and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. Other than that, my name is Courtney, and in today's video, I am going to be filming this makeup look for you. It is my Valentine's Day makeup look. I decided to go a little different this time around when it comes to the Valentine's Day looks. I will have all of my Valentine's Day looks maybe like in a playlist. Maybe that will help. Have that either linked in the cards or linked down below so you guys can check out all the different type of videos I have done in the past when it comes to Valentine's Day. But to get into today's video, I do want to say today's video is going to be me not talking. It's just going to be a like me showing you how to do this look, and music is going to be played and stuff like that. It's just going to be very straightforward, so you guys don't have to hear my voice. I will be also having all the products listed down below, and if I can find links, I will put links to them. So let's just hop right So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope it was something fun for you and something different since you didn't have to hear me talk. But I will show you what the makeup looks like. It looks like this. So yeah, that is today's video. And like I said, if you haven't hit that subscribe button, make sure you subscribe to this channel. And also let me know what type of video you would like to see. Other than that, I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.